and she is the architect of Galaxy SOHO, Zaha Hadid. 欢迎她。How could you dare to do something like this? Futuristic, gigantic, totally different from everything else. Zaha?
Well, I think it was a very exciting moment when we were asked to do this project. We always thought that we can do something quite unique in Beijing. I came to Beijing 30 years ago, and I knew even then that this is a great place to build at some point. Nobody at the time really believed me.
我呢就是在这个北京出生长大的，所以呢，在这个城市盖房子呢是特别有感情的。但这个房子盖的时候，可能是我们又一个新的里程碑。
So when we were asked to do this one, of course we were very eager and excited to do it, because it's very difficult to build a very large mass and not necessarily very tall on a site in the city, and the idea of creating this valley with almost like a series of mountains which are connected is what makes this project work.
有机会跟这个扎哈哈蒂女士一起合作呢，才带来了这个新的建筑。其实像扎哈这样的建筑呢，这么大规模的，这么超前的，在北京也是第一个。
I mean, the idea is to kind of really make a site which is very layered. It's like a valley with a stream and so on. I like all the bridges and the connections, and when you drive through, you can see above. The things are happening above you, the things happening below you. So it's like, you are there, you are also immersed into that space. There was a 3D model done at the same time, between us in London and Beijing was done simultaneously. There are not many places, many people who use that technology to do these buildings.
为什么从来没有在世界各地有这么大的规模呢？因为中国就需要这么大规模的东西，这个本身大规模就是一个中国特点。
People think that this really doesn't relate to China, but I'm saying is that, in the future, this would look like it was a Chinese project.